guys.
Hello.
We were at one of our destinations.
But started to get crazy.
And then some fucking security guard started to follow us around. So we had to leave. Because we're still gonna go to destination 2.
The real destination.
So we actually got sidetracked and we went there, but now
we're on a smoke break. Well, not me, her, so in case my mom watches this. But yeah, we're on our way to the real destination 2. Yeah.
Candy Raid.
Candy Raid. That's what it's going to be called. Candy Raid. You don't know where we're at still. No clues right now. Until we get to a clue.
Oh, unless you can see all that stuff behind me, then go ahead.
No, it can't. It is not zoomed.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Anyways.
Sidetracked again.
So we'll
So we're
see
gonna
you
start
guys at
walking?
destination 2. See ya. Wave.